Hey guys, Mom and Son Train Rail fans coming to you. Ray is running his Nscale and going to be putting it in the siding that we connected the other day. Hopefully he won't highball it into the siding. We did have to make the train shorter because our siding is not long. He should have already switched it from his control panel. There it goes. And right about there. Okay, so it's gonna take 1 or 2 off to clear it. So we're gonna do that, and he's gonna pull out the chassis engine. So give us a minute. Okay, here he comes with the chassis with the rest of the load, and he's hopefully going to slow down before he brings it into the other switch, which will be right next to the CSX. Nope, you missed the switch. You got to back up, buddy. Okay, try it again. Got to bring it forward and put it on the right switch. Up, nope. Derailment. Back it up. You'll learn it. Okay, just go buy all the ones that derailed. There you go. That works. We'll try again in a little bit. Oh, you're going to back it up. Big derailment. Into the bushes. All right, it's going to take some more practice. See, nothing's ever perfect. Look at you. You think it's funny anytime there's a derailment. All right, guys, we'll be back. We'll get the hang of it. Okay guys, we kind of think we've got this straightened out now. I had to put a couple strips of track in there for overload, but he is going to attempt to pull out the chassis now since the CSX got moved in. So go ahead, Ray, see if you can do it now. Good job, buddy. That's okay. Good, you're getting used to it now. Now you remember, you got to move this switch back so it goes around again and not goes into the siding. Did you move the switch back? Okay, you better before it comes around because you don't want it to go in the siding. And if you stop right in front of Mom, I'll pull off those 2 front cars. Okay, I guess you're not stopping in front of Mom. Okay. Go ahead. Go ahead. Stop. All right, good job, buddy.